Samantala, ilang estudyante po sa Pilipinas ang natulungan ng Ateneo Alumni Scholarship Fund bilang pasasalamat ng mga nagtapos sa paaralan na nasa Canada na. Ngayong taon, ibabalik naman nila ang biyaya ng kanilang samahan sa isang mahalagang advokasya. Naritong report.
It's really helpful to the point na I don't think that I would have been where I am right now if not for the support that the AABC has given me.
Huge help. I would definitely not have been in Ateneo had it not been for the full scholarship coverage.
Dalawa lamang sina Ralph Joshua Macarasig at Lionel Lau sa halos 20 naging scholar sa Pilipinas ng Ateneo Alumni Association of BC o AAABC. Nagtapos ng BS Applied Mathematics si Macarasig sa Ateneo de Manila University noong 2022. Si Lau naman, BS Computer Science noong 2016. Parehong nagtatrabaho ngayon sa mga sektor sa Pilipinas na kanilang pinangarap.
A lot of us will know that getting into Ateneo and paying for the tuition fees, it's not cheap, right? It's really expensive, and that's something that our family just couldn't afford at the time because we had a lot of expenses, and at the time my dad had to be an OFW in Saudi Arabia just to support the needs of our family. That burden of financial challenges is just really big lift from our family.
One fond memory I have is as a computer science student, I didn't actually own like a good laptop. So you can imagine the difficulty of staying afloat for all of the requirements. But AABC heard about that and actually sent over a laptop so that I could complete my requirements.
This opportunity has changed the trajectory of these students who otherwise may not have had the opportunity of receiving the higher education.
Si Roberto Afan ang kasalukuyang presidente ng AAABC. Itinatag ang grupo noong 1999. Bukod sa pagsuporta sa kanilang mga scholars sa Pilipinas, aktibo rin ang grupo sa pagtulong sa iba't ibang organisasyon tulad ng Greater Vancouver Food Bank. Sumuporta rin sa fundraising ng Terry Fox Run para sa cancer research.
AAABC is more than just an alumni association. Naging parang community to built on fellowship, friendship, and a shared commitment to giving back.
Sa April 5, magaganap ang taunang Spring Gala ng AAABC, isang fundraising event na tinawag na A Night of Hope. Ngayong taon, bahagi ng kanilang kikitain ay ibibigay sa BC Cancer Foundation.
BC Cancer is very near and dear to my heart. The support that our BC Cancer Foundation Society that have given the cancer patients have just been tremendous. I've experienced it myself by seeing very close people, relatives to myself, including my wife, who are going through this treatment. It's just unbelievable.
Sa pahayag na ipinadala ng BC Cancer Foundation sa Omni News, nagpasalamat ito sa AAABC para sa kanilang generosity at commitment para paigtingin ang cancer care. Makakatulong daw ito para mas mapabuti ang treatment sa cancer, mapalawak ang access dito at masuportahan ang patuloy na research. Ang regalo raw ng AAABC nagbibigay pag-asa sa mga pasyente at mga pamilya. Para suportahan ang proyekto ng AAABC, makipag-ugnayan sa mga numero sa inyong TV screen.